first, we would like to pay our high respect teachers, parents, and of our beloved classmates. This is my team. My name is I'm 8 years old. My name is Pinka. I'm 8 years old. My name is Tom. I'm 8 years old. My name is Sian. I'm 11 years old.
My name is Kim Hoi, 13 years old.
My name is Janapek. I'm 12 years old.
We are students at Khmer Intellectual Academy. Today, our group will be talking about habitat.
Let's start.
By the end of this presentation, you will be familiar with habitat. Well, today our group topic talking about habitat in which an animal lives and adapt. Let me first define adaptation. To adapt is to survive in the environment in which living thing has to change its behavioral, physical, and unique ability to survive the condition in the environment. My group member will be presenting and is an animal that are adapted to live there. Now, to be clear about the topic, let me continue to my friend Jamno. Let's start.
Thanks, friend.
You're welcome. This is the African plants. There are many diverse animals, plants, and insects. These habitats are getting hotter due to climate change. The African elephants are one of the animals in this habitat, but are endangered because of hunters hunt to get the trunks from the elephant. Now let's speak about its adaptation. It usually roams in groups, protecting each other as they travel the terrain, looking for water and fresh vegetables. It has long ears to keep itself cool from the hot climate. Its long trunks are able to get the fruits from trees, which is a special ability. This character and physical adaptation make the elephant to live in this habitat. That's all for my point. Now let me continue to my friend Ponika. Let's start. You're welcome. Hello everyone, now let me present you about the octopus. Let's start. The ocean is a habitat with many marine animals. There is one animal I will speak about. It has many legs. Can you guess what it is? It is the octopus. The octopus is different from fisher sharks. They can camouflage when it is hiding to catch its food. So an octopus must live in the ocean. It is a nice home for them. That's all for my point. Now let me pass the floor to my friend. Let's start. Thanks, friend. You're welcome. I will be speaking about the desert habitat. Not many animals can live in this habitat because it is dry and sandy. But there is the camel that are adapted to live in that condition. As you know, camels have humps on their backs that store food and water. They use this special ability to travel across the desert. They also have long eyelashes to stop the sun from going into their eyes. It is because of its physical adaptation that they can survive in this habitat. That's all for my point. Now let's move to my friend Kim Hong. Let's start. You're welcome.
Now let me tell you about the mountain habitat. The mountains are the place that the birds live in. I tell you about the hawk. The hawk are the birds that live in the mountain and fly around the mountain to take the fish to eat. We call the mountain are at home for the hawk because the mountain are adaptation. Now let me pass the floor to my friend Rachana Pik. Let's start.
Thanks, friend.
You're welcome.
Now I will be speaking about the Arctic. This is a very cold place. Only some animals can live in this habitat. The polar bear is one of them that are adapted to the freezing climate. It has black skin with thick white that keep them warm. Their sharp claws can catch fish as the Arctic ice melt. The polar bear has adapted to live in this habitat. That's all for my point. Now let me continue to my friend Silver to tell you about the in conclusion. Let's start.
Thanks, friend.
You're welcome.
In conclusion, you can see there are so many animals that live in different habitats, such as the elephant is adapted to African plants, the octopus is adapted to corals, the toucan is adapted to the rainforest, the camel is adapted to the desert, the badger is adapted to the woodland, the hawk is adapted to the mountain, And the last is the polar bear is adapted to the Arctic. That's all for our presentation. Thanks for paying attention. We wish all of you enjoy our topic today. Thank you.